So the other day, I was having this thought about why humans need to eat, or at least in general, throughout evolution, we kind of needed to eat animals, right? To get enough protein to survive, um, and stuff. Even nowadays, we don't really need to. We can survive without eating animals, but in the past, that's how it started. And so I was just playing with the idea that why? Yet there is morality about animals' consciousness and how they have empathy, which led me to the question of why do humans get to choose? Right? We are omnivores, which means we eat plants and animals. And in general, other species don't get to choose. The lion is not sitting there wondering if it should hunt a rabbit or not. They just do out of survival instinct in biology. They're not thinking of ethics. They're not debating. They're not questioning. Like I sit here wonder. And if it doesn't eat meat, they just die. So they don't really have a choice. But we humans, we have that choice. We get to choose, we get to reflect, which of course comes with responsibilities, which led me to the question if, let's say, our bodies go back to Earth the same way animals do. So we all end up dying the same way. And energy, we know energy can't be destroyed. So is our consciousness part of the energy? Maybe our consciousness is like a radio that picks up the statics in whatever form or shape it gets, whether that's human body, a chicken, a bird, an insect. Um, Maybe it's by choice, maybe by chance, maybe it's by design. We can't know, but it just got me wondering. It just got me thinking how everything ends up being recycled. And because we die, our atoms go back into soil, in air, and water. Then the soil turns into plants. Water makes the ecosystem. And then plants grow, right? Animals eat plants. Humans eat both. Basically, we're all eating each other eventually. And I know I'm probably not saying anything unique here or isn't known facts. I'm just connecting the dots and expressing my mind. Just if someone finds these things fascinating, we can have a discussion. Um, I just I was thinking about what that means, that newborn humans may be made of the same soil and energy of those who died, right? So all the atoms that make our bodies been here long before we were even born. So they all have been part of countless other things. And then they get rearranged into something completely new. It's like using the same Lego pieces but building something different each time. Nothing is truly separate. Everything is part of one continuous system. Nothing is truly different, which means we're all literally connected at the same time. And I wonder if, from a spiritual perspective, if it's possible that our bodies can hold memories. Just a thought. Yeah, I wonder what you guys think. Um, but anyway, everything is recycled.